Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar again, in this moment in the Advanced English 2 course, and the objective or the goal of this video recording is to analyze a song called Moves Like a Jagger of the Maroon 5. In this small analyzing, I can feel that the instrumentation is of a happy song due of the sticky ring that it has. When I listen this song, it encourages me to move and dancing. In this song, the instrumentation I consider that are balanced because they let me focus in both voice and instruments. The tempo of this song is a little fast, but of all way, I consider that this song is a pretty good song because and this like me so much. At the beginning of the song, the instrumentation starts a little soft, but after the chorus, it is more loudy and made me feel so happy for the sticky ring. I consider that this song adds a little in my unconscious, but not in a bad way, because the instrumentation made me feel so happy and automatically it made me move too. The lyrics talk about a man who is trying to flirt or impress a girl with the movement like a singer or vocalist of the Rolling Stone band did. This vocalist was called Jagger. The tone of the words, I consider that they are according with the way what the singer sang them. This song, the lyrics is romantic, while the instruments are exciting. I consider that both are according in this song. This song talk about the listen your sense of the ridiculous at your dancing, like Mick Jagger did. This song is considered a romantic song because the man is trying to get that the girl accept him. This song has a specific target, and this specific target is the girl that the man wants to conquer. The values that I could get in this song are happiness, effort, sincerity, optimism, perseverance, and mainly respect. About the artist image, I consider that now we don't have to take into account nowadays there are expression freedoms, and mainly in the artists that have a lot of feminism. Okay, this is all my analysis for this song. Now I consider that I'm not the best singer due to my voice, but it's a requirement of the activity guys to sign a part of the song that most like me. Then go ahead. From the stars, if it feels right, and into my heart. If you feel like and take me away, I'll make it okay. I swear you'll behave. You wanted control, so I waited and put on a show. Now I make it, you say I'm a kid. My ego is big, I don't get achieved. And it goes like this. Take me by the tongue, I'll know you. Kiss me, you'll be drawn, I'll show you all the moves like Jagger. I got the moves like Jagger. I got the moves, Jagger. I don't need to try control you. Look into my eyes, I'm all you when the moves like Jagger. I got the moves like Jagger. I got the moves like Jagger. When you feel right, I'm broken a scar. Nothing feels right, but when you're with me, I'll make you believe I could feel the key. So get in my car, we can ride it wherever you want. Get excited, and you wanna steal. I should give, I take it from here. And it goes like this. Take me by the tongue, I'll tell you. Kiss me your religion, I'll show you all the moves like Jagger. I got the moves like Jagger. I got the moves like Jagger. Okay, that's all. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video, and blessing for us.